YouTube, welcome to the channel. Today is a good day. We are at the beach, as you can see. We got a lot of good things coming. We have a workout, me and my cousin, she's down there. We're gonna work out with Mick, do a little cardio stuff, do some, I don't know, whatever type of workouts. And then after that, morning boss. So I'm gonna do some cardio stuff. After that, I have another workout at 10. I'm gonna take y'all to both of these workouts. Today's gonna be a workout day, because y'all have never seen me work out. So it's gonna be the first time on my channel where I'm doing like a real workout, showing some beach stuff, all that good stuff. I'm gonna be vlogging with my cousin today, so you'll get to see a little bit of her, see a little bit of me. It should be fun, let's go. Done. Moving on to some agility stuff. On the show, all that. Everybody talk at that time. Let's go. Just finished our agility, a lot of workout with this man right here. Talk to the people.
Hey man, listen man, this is what we do, all right? We work over here in the Bahamas. It's no off days. We on the beach, getting it in early morning. Let's go.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I can give y'all all the secrets, but let's just say your boy wasn't feeling great this morning, all right? But listen, y'all know the process. We've been down for a long time, and now we're trying to get back into the game shape and get back going so we can be ready for the season in France. So I'm done with this beach workout. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Next video is going to be coming from my other workout I have to do later on today. So I'll check in with y'all later. Picking it up, the workout. I'm gonna be on the vlog, bro. Shut them out.
What's going on?
They'll wait on you.
What on me? Oh, bro. Hey, y'all get on my boy though. My boy need them subscribers. Go crazy. Future NBA star right there. Future NBA star.
Maybe we can get them. We're gonna do some sled stuff. We just work out. We just do a little warm up. Now we're gonna do some sled stuff. Probably some lifting stuff later. Show you a little. You can't really disclose too much. It's a little undisclosed area, you see. So they don't want me to show too much. But for whatever I can show you. So we can be working. Get some footage of that. See y'all. So I'm back at the house, feeling good. Just got out the shower. So now I can wind down, relax, and enjoy the rest of the day. It's been a tough day, I can't lie. Today was a bit encouraging and discouraging. Encouraging because it's a good way to start up after quarantine and getting back into things and starting off on a good foot. Discouraging because I realize how far behind I am. I lost focus. I won't even lie about that. I lost focus during quarantine and wasn't doing enough cardio stuff, and I got out of shape. And that's not really like me, to be honest. So it was kind of a wake up call for me, and like I said, a bit discouraging, but using that as fuel, using it as a way to motivate myself to never get like this again. Shout out to Mick, the guy that put me through the beach workout. He told me, let this be a lesson to never let yourself get this way again, because it was hard for me. Obviously, it's my first day on the beach running and doing things like that in about 4 months, just about. But that's not an excuse. When you're a pro, you can't take your foot off the gas, you know? And I did. And even though in Spain, I was doing everything indoors, I was doing everything I was supposed to do, little home workouts, at a 30-day challenge. I wasn't doing cardio, and I got out of shape. I lost definition in my body in certain areas, and it's a bit discouraging, but I know that I could get it back, and I know how much I work and why I work, and I have to remember why I do this, you know? So I'm just gonna use that as fuel. And this is just me trying to encourage somebody out there that might have lost focus too. You don't have to stop. Put your foot back on the gas, get back going, because you still have a race to win, you know? So that's my motivational speech of the day. I hope you all enjoyed this video today, because I really had fun today. I really feel good after a workout. Feeling like I got something accomplished is like the best feeling for me. So that being said, you can't forget, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. You know the things. And I will see you in the next video. I love y'all. Peace.